Hello everyone, this is Carlos, I'm CTO of Protopixel, and in this video I will show you how to use a Protopixel player, okay, this thing here. But first, what's a Protopixel player? So until now we had two different ways of using Protopixel to control lights. The first one would be using Protopixel Create directly. You would create your project, you would add the fixtures, the content, etc., and send information to the controller directly. The second one would be when you don't want to use your laptop in the installation or your computer. You could then use Protopixel Create to export your project and load it into a Protopixel node. Yeah, something like this. And then it would work exactly the same way, with the difference that it's not your computer, it's basically the Protopixel node. And in addition, you have this monitoring and remote control, etc. But what if you have a smaller project, something simpler? You don't need interactive contents. You don't need triggers. You don't need changes. It's just linear content. So it starts, it's like a video. It starts, does something, it ends, and it starts again. All the time. And that's it. That's the purpose of Protopixel Player here. How it works. So you would create your project exactly the same in Protopixel Create. When it is working, you would press the button of Start Recording, then it starts, and then you hit the button of Stop Recording. Everything that happens between the start and stop, it's recorded. And this can be played back by Protopixel Player here. You would just use a USB stick, you put it into your computer, in Protopixel create your start recording, stop recording, take this off, put it here, that's it. Simple. So let's try it. I created this project that you can see here. It's very simple. I have just one line that is connected to the controller. The controller is already configured. You can see here it's connected. And I have a color and I have a video. Okay, you can see here and the video. So let's record, let's make a recording. If we go here to the settings, global settings, we can see the recording part, and let's make a recording of red color. Here you can see that it detected that I have a USB stick connected. Is this the Kingston one? And we can change the frame rate of the recording. So I will put it here and start. So when you hit start, you will see here the track recording in red. That's enough. With stop, it stops. So I've just recorded a very short scene with red. Let's do another one with the video. We have this very simple video. And let's add a loop here. And we can start. And now we go here. It will be our video on the same USB. And we can start. When we hit stop, it stops the recording. we can stop the video now. And we are all set. We just created 2 recordings and in the USB stick. So I will extract this. Let's stop. So I will use this USB stick into the ProtoPixel player, and we'll see I just opened the remote interface of the ProtoPixel player. We can access to the remote interface by putting its name, its code. Every ProtoPixel player has one. You can also connect to the Wi-Fi that it creates. This one. This is like a hotspot of the ProtoPixel player. And you are here. You will see the SIMs. So I will connect now the USB stick. Yeah, and you can see that it detected that we have the red and the video. Okay, so we have everything connected now. We have the ProtoPixel player here. This is connected to the ProtoPixel controller, and this connected to the LED strip that we have here. And my computer here, I connected it to the Wi-Fi that is created by ProtoPixel player. You can see it here. So I can access to the web interface that we can use to select the recording that we'll be performing. You can do it with your mobile device, with your tablet, whatever. I'm using my computer now. So we have the recordings here. I will connect this, and this will scan for the recordings in the USB stick, and we will see them now in the interface. So these are the 2 that we have been using, that we created, the red and the video. So when I turn on the red, it just sends the information that we recorded before the red. We can change it to the video. So now we see the video that we recorded before. Easy peasy. It's just recording, connecting, and selecting.